Welcome back to Stuff About tutorial. Today we are talking about how to buy a domain in Shopify. Why would you want to know how to buy a domain in Shopify? Well, maybe it is your first time using Shopify and not sure how to buy a domain in Shopify. So today I am going to show you how to buy a domain in Shopify. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Buying a domain in Shopify store is quite simple and easy to do. First of all, open any browser. Now write admin.shopify.com in search bar. Now here in left corner, you are seeing different buttons. Click on settings in bottom left corner. Scroll down. Now click on domain. Click on buy new domain. Search domain availability. Now click on buy domain. Enter card details, or if you have added your card will be charged. This is how you can buy a domain. There you go. If you wanted to know how to buy a domain in Shopify, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.